Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you don't know me, my name is Agina. My name is
Agina. Your name is not Agina.
My name is Vicky.
And welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video that we post.
When we post.
Good. Today we're going to talk about the fruits. And fruits are called olemo. Called?
Olemo.
Last week we went to a fruit farm and just did a short video about fruits. And that's why we're doing this, just to enrich that video that we did. Now, we've been doing fruits, we've been putting fruits next to us just to make people eat healthy. And we hope you're eating healthy. And we still don't have some names, like the names for apples, the names for things like that. But it's okay, we shall do the ones we have, and once we get the other names, we shall incorporate them. And fruits have seeds. Seeds are called kodi.
Kodi.
Not kodi. Kodi.
Kodi.
Kodi.
Kodi.
So seeds, those are seeds. So if a fruit has a seed, the seed is called kodi.
Kodi.
Now, we shall start with fruits that do not have seeds. Can you read this?
Olemo ma onge kodi.
Olemo ma onge kodi. Say it like that.
Olemo ma onge kodi.
Yes, it looks strange, but that is the correct way. Olemo ma onge kodi.
Olemo ma onge kodi.
Sorry, Tony. Now we start with fruits that don't have seeds, and the first fruit is
Nas.
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 Coconut. That's nas.
Nas.
The next one is what?
Mananas.
What?
Mananas.
Mananas.
Mananas. Oh, mananasi.
Mananas. This comes from Swahili of mananasi. So mananas in pineapple. Now, we also have fruits.
Olemo. Olemo ma.
Olemo.
Olemo ma ipoko.
Olemo ma epoko. Fruits that we peel. And which one comes to mind?
Mango.
Mango.
Yeah. Oh, rabolo. Banana.
Rabolo. Banana. So banana is one of the fruits that we peel. And I think we peel mangoes. Some people peel mangoes. I don't peel the mangoes though.
I eat the mangoes peel.
Yeah, that's the difference. So I could only think of a banana. The other category is
Olemo ma kote duong.
olemo ma kote duong.
Kote, not kote.
Kote. Olemo ma kote duong. Say.
Olemo ma kote duong.
That's a, remember kodi. Kodi is a seed. So fruits with big seeds. And one of them is what?
Maembe.
Maembe. Some people say mawembe. Maembe is a mango or mawembe. And mawembe is what? You know Swahili word for maembe is mango? Mango,
Yes.
mango, mango, mango.
Whatever.
Yes, what's your question?
Mawembe. Wembe is nini?
No, that's Swahili. We are not getting into Swahili. That's Swahili. The other one is what?
Avocado.
What is that?
Avocado.
Avocado. Avocado is also called avocado. In English, avocado. And this, I think, has been translated into many languages. Those are the two fruits I got that have big seedlings. The third one, Tony, you have to stop doing that. The third one is olemo ma ichamo kod pote.
Olemo ma ichamo kod pote.
Fruits that you eat with their back. So fruits that you eat with the back. Pote is the back.
I don't understand.
Like like the apple, you can eat the back of the apple.
Or
the back.
Yeah.
So the first one is what?
Mapera.
What's mapera?
Guava.
Mapera is guava. So guava can be eaten by, you can eat the back. The next one is?
Onunga.
Onunga. Blueberries. Onunga. Say onunga.
Onunga.
Yes, onunga. Then the next category is olemoma kotetindo.
Olemoma kotetindo.
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 Now this is a fruit that has small seeds or small seeds. Yeah, seeds. Fruits with small seeds. Olemoma kotetindo. And the first one is what?
Sandra.
Yes, Sandra.
Sandra.
Sandra is a sweet, you know the sweet
Passion?
no. What? Machunga, like orange. It's called cuties. So you know the sweet orange? That's called Sandra.
Sandra.
The other one is?
Machunga.
Machunga. Machunga. That's an orange. The next one is?
Ndim.
Ndim. Say ndim.
Ndim.
Ndim. Yes.
Isn't Dimu for...
No, forget about Swahili. You're just mixing Swahili up with this thing.
Okay.
Then the next one is what?
Apoyo.
Apoyo is what?
Popo.
Apoyo, popo. Papaya.
Pau pau.
Or papaya. Apoyo. Then the last one is?
Afuoto.
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 Afuoto is melon. Afuoto is melon. Now viewers, just to enrich the video, we looked for some of the names but I could not get them. Crunchberry, grapes, cantaloupe, plums, peaches, apple. We could not get those names in Luo. So if you know these names, please comment down below so that we can do a video to enrich this video. Now also I would like to thank viewers in Papua New Guinea. That's I see a lot of people are viewing from that country, and thank you so much for viewing and just liking our videos, and thank you for understanding Luo, you know, learning Luo with us. If you're Luos there, thank you for supporting this channel. And Nikki will finish up the remaining bit. From me, Oriti Kwe.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. If you would like to support us, you can go to www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary.
Seriously. See you talk.
Oriti, goodbye.